Blah, blah, blah. Your site isn't ready to show ads. AdSense not approved. Valuable inventory. No content. Okay, I'll show you how to fix this. Give me a like if you like these quick, easy videos, so you can find it later. Okay, I found some stuff here. I'll put the links down in the description. Basically, before I jump into this, I have an older blog that I had approved, and it has about like 13 articles, and I would say there's like less than 100 words per article, and I was able to get that approved, but this is a pretty old one from years ago, and I would say if you do like 20 articles of text that needs to be original content, then you can get it approved, as long as you follow these guidelines here. I would say check the content in a copyright or a plagiarism tool to make sure you have like at least 80% of it is original content, and you want as many words as possible. But basically, yeah, I'm listening to some Christmas music. It's almost December, so I could use that right now. For your site to be ready to show AdSense, make sure that your pages have enough unique content so that we can determine what your site is about. Okay, this is from the Google AdSense help website. Okay, you don't want any duplicate content, and I'll just talk about some of the key points here and some of the big mistakes people make. You want to make sure you don't have any like 404 pages, negative pages that don't load correctly. Oh, and I did see here somewhere, and I made this mistake of just placing a bunch of like YouTube videos, embedded videos, external articles, and embedded videos. It's important that you contribute your own original content. So I think what they're looking for is more text, basically. And like I said, if you do like 20 articles, say like 600 words, you should be good to go. But I've done less than that. I counted up the articles. There was like 13, and then I had a few pictures, and I had some embedded videos. But you don't want to do a whole lot of that. You want like a lot of text, photos. It needs to be easy to navigate. See, it talks about it here. Navigational elements. The alignment, readability, functionality. So you do all the drop-down lists work correctly. So I don't know if they're going to check that, but you definitely want to do all of this here. And I'll leave a link down in the description. And I may also link my site, and that way we can kind of use that as a marker to see. I haven't got it approved yet, but we'll add some content, some more content, and see if we can get that approved, because it is still under construction. And it says somewhere here that it's really not for sites under construction. You know, they want complete websites that are ready to go. But as long as you have enough content, you should be good to go. Oh, I did want to add something else. Your host, whoever you're hosting your website with, you know, their servers need to be fast enough. If it loads under 3 seconds, and a lot of these do. I forget which ones exactly, but there's some of the big name brands. They don't load within the 3 seconds. I believe it's 3 seconds. You might want to check me on that. But if the site doesn't load fast enough, then it's not going to be approved for AdSense. So that's a big one right there. You want to get that right coming out of the gate. Like otherwise, everything else you do is going to be a waste. So you're just wasting your time. So you need a good host that's going to load under that threshold of 3 seconds or whatever it is. And then I was reading they also don't really like pop-ups, and you definitely don't want to have any viruses on there. And let's see what else can we find. Well, this is just policies on definitely don't want to tell people to click the ads. And you don't want any like artificial clicking of the ads. And that's the AdSense program policies. So anyway, if this video helped you learn anything, give me a like, subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot more website videos. And yeah, again, I'll leave these links down in the description and with a sample website. Check it out. Thanks. I've got a little bit more here for us. Got some good stuff. Okay, you might have an issue. I'll put this link in the description. This is what to do if your site isn't ready to show ads. Basically, you need to make sure that you get the copy that code that they give you when you sign up in between the head tags, and use the same account. Did you paste the code into the site you used to sign up for AdSense? The code into the site you used. Yeah, paste it into the right website, I guess is what they mean. And they talk about this robot.txt file. Maybe if you used a template, then it's possible that could have been preloaded in there. So if you click on that, it brings you to this page, which is really cool. It's got beginner SEO. This is a Google Search Central. It's got some good stuff here. I mean, look at all this information. Definitely want to check this out. I haven't looked at this yet. Okay, you can sign up for a search console. It's free. You can do all of this stuff here. But more on the where did it go? That text stuff, that text file will block it out. Block out the Google search. Robot.txt. Okay, this is basically to avoid overloading your site, but it also blocks out the Google so they can't crawl your site and see if you're ready for AdSense, I guess. So you want to make sure you get rid of that. Let's see what else do they have here. Yeah, so anyway, just make sure you have enough text, some photos. Go a little overboard. Do like 20 articles and some photos, and make sure you're not like misleading people. I read that somewhere, where you're like just taking them to some other link or something without letting them know. I would stay away from that if you're trying to get approved for AdSense. And just keep it real basic, lots of text and photos. and easy for Google to crawl your page and approve it. So anyway, hope this helps. Like and subscribe.